Today, I'll walk you through how to turn on dark mode in OneNote even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to enable dark mode so you can reduce eye strain and enjoy a more comfortable note-taking experience. First, let's open your OneNote app. You can do this by navigating to your web browser and entering the URL for OneNote, or simply searching for OneNote in your applications. Once you have it open, you'll be greeted by your notebooks ready for you to dive in. Next, load in your notebook. This is where all your notes and ideas are stored. If you have multiple notebooks, just select the one you want to work with. Now take a look at the top left part of your screen. You should see a menu bar. Here you want to locate the View option. This is where you'll find the settings to change your visual experience. Under the View menu, several options will appear. Look for the Switch Background option. Typically, this is the last option on the right side of the View menu. Once you find it, click on that option to toggle dark mode on and off. This simple action will transform your interface into a darker theme, making it easier on your eyes, especially in low-light environments. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The steps are generally the same across various versions of OneNote. If you follow these instructions, you should be able to enable dark mode without any issues. In conclusion, switching to dark mode in OneNote is a straightforward process that can enhance your note-taking experience. By following these steps, you can easily adjust the background to suit your preferences. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.